Kamiti iyo iria itongoragio ni mubunge wa Narok West Gabriel Tongoyo ikoretwo mihango-ini ya guthiururuka ceceni-ini cia borithi citiganite uthurimi-ini wa wagiriru wacio hamwe na miako iria irathie na mbere kugirira kigina gia thirikari nene.
It is the duty of Parliament to keep oversighting what they appropriated and whether the government money, the money of people of Kenya had been properly utilized and appropriated to serve the purpose that was meant to do.
Ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Moro, ambunge aya magite na giikaro na maabitha a borithi na kuhe mweke maabitha ya kwiturura na kuheana mathina maria mari ceceni-ini no.
We don't have a reliable motor vehicle. We don't have a reliable motor vehicle. And at this scenes, at night, maybe at 3, we are forced to carry these victims in our Land Cruiser, and it is not designed to carry injured people. It is not designed to do that work, but we are forced to do that because we cannot leave these people there. So some of them, even the Land Cruiser itself, end up hurting them more by the time we get them to hospital. I don't know how that can be handled, but we need a serviceable vehicle that can at least, when it comes to response to these accidents, it is swift and effective.
Muikariri giti wa kamiti ino ni atugiritie maabitha a borithi ni undu wa wirutiri wao hari gutungatira muingi, akiuga thirikari ni iguthie na mbere na kumanyitirira na kumahe riera riega ria uruti wa wira.
And we want really to appreciate, to commend you for continuously being committed, dedicated to service to wananchi, despite the little pay, the hardship areas, the very straining working environment. That is patriotism.
Kamiti ino yugite ni gukinya mateta ma maabitha a borithi kuri thirikari nene niguo gutigirira mabataro mao ni mararumbuyo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Moro kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, ni njitagwo Joel Kimani wa Njuguna.